Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to explain about a Headstore 6.com reviews. Friends, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And in case, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple products including men's sets, women's sets, pants, men's coat, hoodies, sweaters, shorts, belts, fashion bag and socks. And talking about the price of this offering, so guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, or you can say affordable. So this is the homepage, guys, and let's talk about the payment information of this site, including the shipping policy. So talking about the payment information, the mode of payment which is available on this website is PayPal only, and you can also visit the payment methods section to know more about the payment methods. So they have mentioned the PayPal payment mode. You can read for your knowledge and convenience. And now let's check out the shipping policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the shipping terms, and here you can read that usually it may take 8 to 14 natural days for the parcel to arrive in most countries or your place. So this was the shipping policy, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and please subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this website, the domain name was created on 3rd of November 2020. This means that this particular website is 1 month and 15 days old. And according to a study, we have found that the particular domain name is registered for 1 year only. So guys, the site can't be trusted as this is a newly launched website. We need to explore the entire information of this website to know more about its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us section to know more about this website. Guys, this is the About Us page, which is an important page that defines a website's legitimacy. But here I'm not able to view any information related to business establishment year, brand connection info, business owner name, etc. So I think this is a negative sign here. Plus guys, the rates of the products are too low, which makes the website quite suspicious. So let's check out the contact details of this website to know more about its legitimacy. This is the contact us page, guys, and they have not provided the contact number, but yes, they have provided an email address and official address, which seems to be fake, guys. You can't copy the given address on this page, and apart from that, the email seems to be fake. This is not the legit email address of this company or website. So this is the red high alert that defines the fakeness of this website. Anyways, let's check out the social media presence of this website. So guys, you can see 3 social media icons are available on this website, which are Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. But I would like to inform you all that these 3 social media icons are inactive or misleading. You will be redirected to the homepage of your social media accounts. So the site has no social media presence at all. Now let's move on to the return or refund policy. So you can see they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. And talking about a Headstore 6.com reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the official website or on the internet. Apart from that, guys, the trust index score of this domain or this company or the site is 1%, which is really very bad. And guys, the website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all, and seems to be not much popular online. Apart from that, guys, the content of the site seems to be copied and duplicate, which is the characteristic of a scam website. So we can't trust on this website easily. And in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be suspicious. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website before the exploration of this website. So explore this website before making any online purchase, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys. We would love to hear your views on the feedback and on your experience. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.